Hi guys, we're back for our part 4. So this time we're going to scroll a picture. So we're gonna come in here and instead of putting these tags here so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna look for a picture and we're gonna say, when you're calling a picture in PHP, you say src, that simply means source, equals to the source here. You name the name of the picture and where you're gonna get it. So if where you're gonna get it is in the same folder with this file, the index.html, don't need to specify the folder because it's inside in there. So while you do, don't forget to put here img, which stands for image, src source, then you put in the image here. So we want to scroll our image. So let's go to Google quickly and pick up one image and we just print it out. So let me see, my internet's a little bit slow guys, I'm sorry about that. So let's try to see, because I'm doing a couple of things at the same time. So if we can't get a picture here, we can say Donald, who's this, Trump. So we search for this guy. If we can't get one, if it's taking our time, so what we're gonna do, let's forget Donald Trump alone, let's leave him alone. So we're gonna come here on our desktop, there's at least one picture, this picture, we rename this picture and say me. So it's on the same it's on desktop as our file. So we come here and we put it in here, me. Don't forget it's what type, it's gonna be .jpg. so make sure if it's a png, you make sure you put here .png. If it's a gif, you put a gif. If it's a png, you put a png. And yeah, let's try to see if our code is working. Yes, absolutely, it works 100%. So what we do here, you see the picture is moving a little bit faster. So what we're gonna do, you remove I'm going to try to remove this background, and I'm gonna remove the text not to run that quicker. Then I save it and see what's gonna happen. Yes, now our image is going up, scrolling up so well. So what we're gonna do now, we can copy the same code here and we save it here, and we tell this thing to go left. So we put in the same image, but one is gonna go up, one is gonna go from right to left. So we can also copy and make this copy also, and copy and paste, and we tell one of the pictures to come from left to right. So paste this and we're gonna see, yes, this guy is coming from this side, is going this side, and this one going up and this one going here, this direction. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. I think this is enough for Marquee. That will be our end, but try to also Google and get some stuff which are more important to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.